live earthquake live stream.
I think they mean
So guys, we felt an earthquake at 10:23 a.m. It was a magnitude 4.8 in upstate New Jersey. We felt like a 2 maybe. You could feel it all the way in Dover, Delaware, and upstate United and upper in New England. So yeah. Aftershocks are probably possible, but I'll pause it till maybe if I feel something. So yeah.
This is how he affects everyone else, doesn't he? He shares his energy and then they get infected. Also, I just noticed his hand. You can actually see fingers on there, like his fist, like closed. I just noticed that.
We say goodbye in a minute. And yeah. Bye guys.
That's right. This was one of the animations.